Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. And boy, was my toes tired. Because that's how high I had to actually tippy-toe on it. That means it's way high. But it's a way beauty, too. It's a 1955 Chevy Greaser. 396. Ooh, Diane Turner. Interesting. Hey, look. It's got money printed right on it. Always going to give you 10 cents worth. With a double nickel. Now that is a nice seat. It's got the emblem back there. You can't see it though. I need to definitely get that light. I keep saying it, but we're all on one day still filming. Well, until the next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for more.